Hey, it's WEEN Boy, and welcome to our affiliate marketing course for beginners. This course consists of 16 lessons and will walk you through the process, tactics, and strategies to create your own revenue-generating affiliate site. There's no fluff, no BS, and no sales pitches for a premium course. So let's get started with the first lesson, where we'll talk about what affiliate marketing is and how it works. Affiliate marketing is when you promote another company's products. When someone makes a purchase because of your referral, you're compensated with a commission. Now, in order for the affiliate company to attribute sales to the right person, the merchant usually uses a unique link that looks something like this, which is called an affiliate link. When a visitor clicks that link from your blog, website, or wherever, a cookie is stored on their device. An affiliate cookie does two main things. First, it helps the merchant attribute the sale back to the right person. And second, cookies usually hold an expiration date, meaning people don't need to immediately purchase the product after clicking your link. Let's run through an example so everything is crystal clear. Let's say a visitor comes to your post about gardening hoses and clicks on some of your affiliate links. This leads them to a product on Amazon, but wait. They have to go and pick up their kids from soccer practice. So they do that, have dinner, and then go back to Amazon. Come in their web browser. They find the product again, and then purchase it along with a game console controller. Because they clicked on your affiliate link, a cookie was stored on their device. And because Amazon has a 24-hour cookie duration, you would still get compensated a percentage for both the garden hose and the console controller, even though you weren't promoting it. Now that we've covered the basics of what affiliate marketing is and how it works, let's talk about what you'll need to get started with affiliate marketing, which is coming up in the next lesson.